You can record as you play and then listen to your creation and even share with friends. From the library page, choose a pack that you want to play. Tap around on the loops and samples to get a feeling for what you're going to play. At any point, tap Record. Your device is now recording your audio as you play. Stop recording by tapping on Stop. You can play your recording back, save it, or delete it and try again. After saving, your pack will appear on the My Songs section. You can now listen to your creation at any time and also share with your friends.